You want to increase your work and knowledge at Microsoft Word. Today, we're gonna learn how to insert multiple images on Microsoft Word just like that. If you are on the end of a phrase, press Enter. Now click here on Table and select a 2x2 table. Now click on Home and set Center. Come back to the Insert tab and select Pictures. Click on this device and select your image. I'll choose this. Click on Insert. You can see that the image is too much big. Double click on the image, go here and change this number. For example, 3. And press Enter. I think it's too small. I'll increase a little. I think that's good. Now click on the second box and do the same process. Make sure you're centralized. Go here at Insert and select your picture. Now we want to remove these borders. To do it, click right here. Click on it with the right button of the mouse. Now go at Table Properties, click on Borders and Shading, select the option None, and make sure you have applied it to Table option. Now click on OK and OK again. You can see that these two images are merged. To change it, just click here after the picture and press Enter. You can adjust the side of this border by clicking here. I think that's good. To remove this space, I change the margin style to normal. And now my 4 images are more merged. If you don't want to use a table and if you want your table to act like an image on Microsoft Word, you have to click on it with the right button and go here at Cut. Now click here on Paste and Paste as Image, the third option. Click on it and you can see there is a lot of free space on the right, the left and the bottom. To crop it, go here at your search bar and type on Crop Picture. Click on it. Now we can adjust this. Click here on the blank space now, and when you go back at your image, you can see that it's cropped. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video. If you had any doubt about the process, want to make a compliment or a suggestion, please comment below and subscribe to our channel to follow our content. Bye!